You know the appetizer is the best part of the meal. Get your sense of smell going, get your taste buds tingling, and get your appetite appetiting. Check this recipe out.
It's so good.
Cool. And so what we have here is 2 pounds of ground chicken. And we're gonna get this seasoned up real well. This ground chicken is very sticky, so we're gonna season it. I'm not gonna say kind of heavily, but we're just gonna put a good amount of seasoning into this ground chicken. So we're gonna season it up with some onion powder, garlic powder, some sea salt, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some Italian herbs. And we're also gonna add some Worcestershire. I don't know why that word is so much of a tongue twister, but some W sauce. And like I said, this chicken is real sticky. So we're gonna put some oil on our hands. So when we're mixing it together and we're making our meatballs, the chicken doesn't stick to our hands too much. So now you want to get you a sweet onion. Not a white onion, not a red onion, not a yellow onion, a sweet onion. These are the onions that they use to make French onion soup. And we're gonna chop them up just like this. Now go ahead and put a little bit of oil in your pan. I used olive oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like to use. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan so that the meatballs don't stick. And you want to try to cook your meatballs as evenly as possible. And we're going to cook them about 90% of the way through. Because what we're going to do is put them in the oven a little later. Now get your tablespoon of butter. Go ahead and add your sweet onions. Add some salt to the onions because that's going to bring out the sweetness and the moisture of the onions. Now saute them until they caramelize. And then we're going to add 2 10-ounce cans of French onion soup. And we're gonna season it with some poultry seasoning, some black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and some fresh thyme. Let it simmer so all the flavors can mend together. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our meatballs back to the sauce and get them well coated in that sauce. Now turn the fire off and we're gonna add buku mozzarella cheese to the top of it. Set your oven to 400 degrees and go ahead and slide the whole pan inside the oven. And we're gonna let this cook, let the cheese melt for about 15 minutes. And when that time is up, your meatballs should be cooked all the way through. Your cheese should be nice and melted. Chop up some Italian parsley, sprinkle that on top. Toast you up some French bread. I used a French baguette. And then it's time to dig in. Look at the cheese pool, the sauce on it. So good. So good. Nice appetizer to start off a full course meal.